Hello, today I'm going to show you how to erase Facebook account on Android. Let's start. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Once you open up Facebook, click on Menu from the top right corner. And then click on Settings and Privacy, go into Settings. Here tap on See More in Account Center from Meta Account. Now from your account settings, click on Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. After that, click on Deactivation or Deletion. To start the process, select the account, tap on your account. You can choose to delete accounts permanently or temporarily. It's up to you. Now choose the Delete Account Permanently option and click on Continue. When you delete your account, the additional Facebook profiles linked to your Facebook account will also be deleted, so click on Continue. Choose the reason why you are deleting your account, then click on Continue. From Manage Your Notifications, tap on Continue. Then again, tap on Continue. After that, enter your Facebook account password and click to continue. Now for the final step, tap on Delete Account button, and your account is now deleted. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.